Hi there, everyone! How's it going? Hannah here with another helpful and straightforward tutorial for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically change the fill color of Excel cells based on their values. This is such a handy trick that can make your spreadsheets more dynamic and visually appealing, especially if you're organizing data or trying to draw attention to specific numbers, text, or results. Sound good? Let's jump right into it. First things first, you need to choose the area you want to apply the color formatting to. If you want to work with the entire worksheet, there's a quick trick. Just click the little triangle in the top left corner of your sheet, right where the row numbers and column letters meet. This selects everything at once. But if you only want to focus on a specific area, click and drag to select just those cells. Once your cells are selected, head over to the Home tab at the top of your screen. Look for the button called Conditional Formatting in the ribbon. Click it. It's the key to customizing your cell colors. From the drop-down menu under Conditional Formatting, hover over Highlight Cells rules to see more options. Click on Equal To, which lets you set up a rule for cells based on their exact values. A small dialog box will pop up, asking you to type in the value you're searching for. For example, if you're looking for cells that say true, type true into the box. You can do the same for false, numbers, or any other value you want to highlight. Excel will instantly apply a default color fill to all the cells that match your criteria, so you can see the results immediately. Want to pick a different color? No problem. In the same dialog box, there's a drop-down menu with suggested formats like light red fill with dark red text, or others. For even more control, click Custom Format at the bottom. This opens a new window where you can choose your favorite fill color, select font styles or border options for those highlighted cells. You can even click More colors to explore an endless palette and find the perfect shade for your needs. Once you've made your choice, click OK, then OK again to apply the changes. Ta-da! All the cells that match your rule are now highlighted with the fill color you picked. Isn't that cool? You can repeat this process to add more rules, creating a colorful and intuitive way to visualize your data. And that's all there is to it. Changing the color fill based on cell values is a simple yet powerful trick in Excel that can help you stay organized and make your spreadsheets pop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to let me know in the comments or share how you're using this feature in your own work. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy excelling!